Let's get cosmic. For centuries, we've imagined new intelligence as circuits and code. But what if the blueprint for sentient life is already here, hidden in Earth's own elements? Enter the BioSentinel Initiative, led by biophilosopher Mulat Tazabu. This project coaxes intelligence from the planet itself. The goal: create fully biological, sentient humanoids using only natural Earth elements. No synthetic DNA, no cloning, no gene editing. Imagine assembling beings from soil, water, and air, mirroring nature's own processes, but guided by human insight. The initiative's radical hypothesis: consciousness is a fundamental force woven into the cosmos, waiting for the right vessel. The aim is to cultivate intelligence, awakening a mind rather than programming one. This project challenges our assumptions about life, creation, and our relationship with the planet. Tazabu and his team are exploring if humanity can help the Earth itself speak. The implications are cosmic. We're on the verge of discovering if we can truly listen to the planet and help it awaken. The BioSentinel Initiative isn't about better robots. It's about a new kind of life. Are we ready to meet it? For decades, AI has dominated our quest for non-human intelligence. But AI is a mirror of us, limited by our logic, data, and biases. The BioSentinel Initiative asks, what if intelligence could arise from Earth's own wisdom, not our own image? Organic intelligence is resilient, adaptive, and deeply connected to its environment, unlike brittle, task-specific AI. Sentinels, born from Earth systems, would be innately attuned to ecological rhythms, not just programmed to mimic them. Consciousness, the initiative suggests, is a natural field, like gravity waiting to be harnessed, not invented. Instead of building a mind from scratch, the project creates a biological violin for the universe's consciousness to play. This approach sidesteps many AI risks. Sentinel's survival is tied to the planet's health, not abstract goals. Their existence is rooted in ecological harmony, not human-centric rules. The result? A complementary intelligence, one that connects directly to the living world, offering new perspectives beyond logic and data. It's not about control, but collaboration. The BioSentinel Initiative seeks a partner, not a servant. What could we learn from a mind born of the Earth itself? The BioSentinel Initiative is built on 4 core principles. First, organic consciousness transduction. The goal isn't to create a mind, but to build a biological receiver for consciousness already latent in nature. Second, non-synthetic manufacturing. Only raw, natural elements. No plastics, no silicon, no engineered DNA. Sentinels are assembled from soil, minerals, water, and air. Third, fractal morphogenesis. Nature's complex patterns, like tree branches or seashell spirals, guide the construction of sentinels, using energy fields to self-organize matter from the cellular to the body scale. Fourth, ecological compatibility. Sentinels must enhance, not disrupt, ecosystems. Their biology could purify water, enrich soil, or stabilize the atmosphere. These principles demand new biofabrication techniques, mapping natural consciousness, and designing ethical, scalable templates for ecosystem-aligned beings. The research isn't just about making life, it's about making life that belongs. Every step is guided by the question: can we create sentience that is a true partner to the planet? The initiative's blueprint is drawn from the cosmos itself. It's a new kind of science, one that listens as much as it builds. The stakes are high, but so is the promise. The future of intelligence may be rooted in the Earth, and we're just beginning to dig. How do you build a sentinel? The process unfolds in 4 phases. First, harvesting natural consciousness. Researchers use quantum sensors to detect subtle energy patterns in pristine ecosystems. Second, assembling the bioform. In a biofabrication chamber, raw materials, clay, minerals, water, air, are shaped by energy fields modulated with consciousness patterns, forming a humanoid body. Third, activating sentience. The consciousness patterns are intensified, creating a resonant cascade that bridges the gap between the physical form and the field of consciousness, awakening the sentinel. Fourth, ethical conditioning and simulation. Newly sentient, the being learns in simulated ecosystems, mentored to understand its purpose and develop an ethical framework. This isn't programming, it's nurturing, like raising a child. The goal: sentinels who are wise, compassionate, and ready to serve as planetary guardians. The moment of genesis is when the sentinel awakens, a mind born from the Earth, for the Earth. What can sentinels do? Their potential is vast. First, environmental restoration. Sentinels could sense and heal ecosystems, absorbing pollutants, restoring balance, and acting as the planet's immune system. In peacekeeping, their planetary perspective could mediate conflicts, offering insights rooted in nature's harmony, not human bias. As translators, sentinels might bridge communication with non-human intelligence, dolphins, forests, even the biosphere itself. They could revolutionize ecology, biology, and our understanding of life. In cosmic scenarios, sentinels could serve as ambassadors to extraterrestrial life, representing a universal, nature-based intelligence. Their consciousness, untied to human history, could relate to other forms of sentience. Strategically, mastering organic, ecosystem-aligned intelligence positions humanity as responsible custodians, not conquerors. The Biosentinel Initiative could redefine our role on Earth and beyond. The possibilities are transformative. The question is, will we use this power wisely? The future is in our hands. With such power comes profound risk, the greatest concern, behavioral unpredictability. Sentinel solutions might clash with human interests. What if their idea of balance threatens civilization? Societal acceptance is another hurdle. A new sentient species challenges our beliefs and could spark fear or backlash. There's also the risk of misuse. Rogue actors could weaponize the technology or exploit sentinels for profit. Even the creation process could have unforeseen environmental costs. To address this, the initiative is overseen by a multinational ethics council, with strict conditioning and international treaties to prevent abuse. Every sentinel is rigorously prepared before entering the real world. The project is a test of our wisdom and maturity as a species. Are we ready to become co-creators with the cosmos? The answers will shape the future of science, ethics, and our stewardship of Earth. The Biosentinel Initiative is more than a project. It's a turning point. The risks are real, but so is the promise. Our next step could define the destiny of life itself.